Hi guys, welcome to my channel Craft Maniac, and let's get on with the Halloween series. This is part 2. The craft that you are seeing, any of that craft, if you would like to make it, then I would put the link below the video in the description box. Today we are making Halloween mummy and the tomb. Let's go and see what all things are required to make this craft. We require some newspapers. We require some cardboards that I've cut 12 by 25. I took this from the Amazon parcel boxes. I also took some cheesecloth that I have cut into strips. I've cut them into strips. If you don't have, you can take the tissue paper and cut them into strips. We also require some silver foil. And will require some of the newspaper sticks that we have made. If you would like to see how these are made, then I will put the link in the comment box. I have done this in my video for the lamp using the newspaper. We'll also require some of the strips. These all strips are 4 by 25. And then we'll require scissor, ruler, pencil and glue gun. Also taken some stones and some sticks for using it in the tomb. I'm also using some wiggly eyes, and we are also using a thread. So let's get started. So first we are going to require 3 of these newspaper sticks. So what we'll do is we'll first take 2 newspaper sticks and we'll first try and create the body of the mummy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep some space for us to attach neck and the head, and I'm going to go ahead and tie this together. Now here I'm using thread to tie them together. See to it that you're tying it very tight. So now that you have seen, I have tied pretty much. This will become the shoulder and the hands. So what we are going to do is we are going to take the ruler and measure around 6. So what we are going to do is we are going to keep this length as 6. And we are going to make a fold. If you make a fold, you will see that these are his hands. Now we need his 2 legs. Now to make 2 legs, what we are going to do is first we have to go and attach the head. Now to attach the head, what I will do is I will take some newspaper and put a fold on it. You just go ahead and put a fold on it and create the shape of the face and a neck. Now once I have created that, I'm going to go ahead and again tie this together. I'm going to go ahead and tie this neck and head together. Now before tying it, what I would like to do is I would go in with the glue gun and attach the stick inside this. So it's easier for us to fold in to give it a shape. So we go ahead and we take the thread and we keep on folding it near its neck. To press this head more, what we are going to do is we are going to take some silver foil. Let's take some silver foil and cover this face and neck. Now we are going to take some measurement. Since this is going to be our tomb, let's take the measurement. Now the total mummy should be 25. So with his legs he should be 25. So we go ahead and we make a fold here. And what we do, and cut some of it. Now we are going to go ahead and put our legs over here. After we have fixed its legs, we are going to go ahead and fill the body of the mummy. Now to do this, what we are going to do is we are going to take some newspaper and fold it like this and try to create the body. Let's go ahead and attach first the shoulders. So if you see, what I did was I just took the newspaper and I attached it over here on the shoulders, and now I'm going to go ahead and fill this all from behind and then pull this together and going to stick it like this. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that if you see, I have filled the upper part of the body. Now let's go and fill the bottom part of the body. So first we will wrap this here and then we are going to cover its legs and hand. So let's do that. Now that if you see, I filled its both the legs. Now let's go ahead and fill both hands. Now if you see, I have filled my mummy with the paper. Now we are going to go ahead and cover this into silver foil. Now before going to covering it into silver foil, let's measure its shoulder. Now with filling up the shoulder, both the shoulders should come to around 8. So what we are going to do is we are going to twist it. And whatever is excess, we are going to cut it. Now excess whatever I have cut, let's go ahead and let's give a little bit of fold over here to make its hands. So let's give a fold. So say suppose these are its hands. Same way we are going to go ahead and do it near the legs. So okay, we are going to go ahead and we are going to put him on the whatever is excess, we are going to fold it. If you see, our mummy is pretty much ready. If you want, you can go ahead and cover it with the silver foil so it gets little bit of more texture. Now let's take the silver foil and let's go ahead and cover him. Our mummy is ready. Now if you know that mummy is covered into the cheesecloth or tissue paper, so what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and cover him up with this. To do this, what I have done is I have cut a straight strips of tissue paper and I also have here cheesecloth. So let's go ahead and cover him. As you see, our half of the mummy has been done. So let's go ahead and let's make his leg. Now I'm using the cheesecloth because tissue paper started to give me trouble. If you don't have cheesecloth, you can take even the old t-shirt, white color one, and cut the strips out of it. Our mummy is pretty much ready. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to show as if he has woken up from the tomb. So what we are going to do is, we are going to go ahead and fix 2 eyes on him. So let's go ahead and let's put him 2 eyes. Now let's cover the mummy little bit more. Now that we have our mummy ready, let's go ahead and make the tomb. So let's put him here. Let's start making tomb. Now to make the tomb, what we have to do is, we need to measure. Now as you know, this is exactly 12. So take the center and draw the line. So first we are going to draw the line that is 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Then we are going to draw another line that is slanting. That is also 5 centimeters. We are going to go ahead and draw another line on the other side. That is also 5 centimeters. Just see to it that both lines are same. Okay. This is 5 centimeters. Now if you see, this is 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. Now exactly same, this 5 centimeters, we are going to do it on another side. So let's go ahead and do that. And now we are going to join these 2 lines. Let me go. Now if you see, I have cut my tomb. Now I am going to go ahead and cut the door or the base of the tomb. So now if you see, we have both of this cut into the same size. So this is 5, 5, 5, 5, and then I've just joined these 2 lines. We have taken some of the strips, those were 4 centimeters wide. So we are going to go ahead and attach this. So let's start attaching it. Now if you see, our tomb is ready. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to take some brown paper and put it inside of this tomb. So you see, our tomb is ready. So what we are going to do is, we are going to put our mummy in a sitting position. Now to put him in a sitting position, he would need some support. So we are going to go ahead and put some support inside the tomb. So now to make the tomb door, what I did was, I went ahead and I got myself a printout of a mummy, the way the mummy is on the tomb. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use Mod Podge. If you see, we have put Mod Podge on this. Now let's keep it to dry. Now while it's drying, I would like to go ahead and add some of the details at the border of the tomb. Here it is guys, our tomb and our mummy is ready. So let's go ahead and put them together and let's see how it looks. Here we go guys, craft is ready. Please like and subscribe and stay in touch for more videos. Thank you.